It's an amber shellac that I'm putting onto. This is the fiber or twisted paper rush that I'm doing these seats in, and this one was dry enough today to go ahead and put the finish onto. And then I've got to start weaving the second one, and I will show y'all how that looks later once I get the other one done. But this will dry overnight. Usually I only need to put one coat of this on, and it seals this, and then should anything get spilled on here, it's going to be protected from moisture and anything that... These are little kid chairs, so obviously things might get spilled on them, but the client who brought them over said that these were actually chairs that were hers when she was little. So it's pretty cool to get them fixed up. And she didn't have any of the original material, so I don't know the color, but this seemed to go with the material. Anyway, I'll show you the next one in just a few minutes. Here we go. The second little chair has just finished weaving it, and what I'm doing now, and I think I mentioned this in the other brush video where I was using the wheat wrap, the importance of burnishing the fibers, whether they're natural grass or fiber rush or wheat wrap or whatever. And that's just going to create a little bit of a surface on here. So once this is completely dry, it's still just slightly damp. Once it's completely dry and I go ahead and put the shellac on it, that will give it just a little bit more of a highlight. And just flip her over so you can see the underside. And I'm gonna go set this out in a sunny area in the yard with a little bit of breeze on it. So by this afternoon, it'll be dry enough I can get the shellac on it, and then I'll show you that when it's done. And there's Frida. She just had a little snack and some water. She's out here on the sunny day. We're enjoying it while we can. There we go. I'll set this off here on the side so it can dry out, and it'll be all set to go with the other one. And back to the owner.